This is to show you what this is, a Michigan basement, and basically what it all looked like before I started working on it, because I didn't take videos or pictures. So the floor was a rugged green and I painted it gray, and the walls were, well, let's see, I can show you in a minute. There's some over there, because I haven't done that side yet. But you can make a little painting studio out of your Michigan basement, or art studio. Takes a little work, but now I'm just at the point of getting the walls and floor done. I do have a few pieces of furniture that I've worked on down here, and this is a place I can take pictures of the furniture that I sell, and I enjoy doing that. And I have photography lights I'll be putting down here so you can see, get a better view. But I just wanted to take a video before I go any further, and I hope you can see. Maybe this spot here shows the floor. The walls were kind of a yellow like that. Give you an idea.